Today we're going to be organizing my refrigerator. A month ago I tried to implement an organization system using these 89-cent baskets from Walmart, but they just didn't give me the width and depth I needed to properly separate our food. Instead, they took up space and contributed to the clutter. First, I took everything out of the fridge. I needed to properly see the space I was working with. Plus, I needed to give the shelves a good clean with my method cleaner and Brillo rags that I got from the Dollar Tree. Emptying the fridge was much needed. There were some items I recently repurchased that I thought we'd run out of, but were really hiding behind all those bins. To section the fridge, I picked up these wide, deep fringe bins at the Container Store. They were about $11 each. I also grabbed these smaller bins, which were $1 from the Dollar Tree. These fruit bins were a great find at the Dollar Tree. They minimize the space taken up by containers. Plus, they allow me to move my half-eaten fruits and veggies from the vegetable drawer to one of the main shelves, so that I can better be reminded of them. Too many fruits and veggies get forgotten in those drawers. Plus, this will help us save money and be a little healthier. Now the fruits and veggies that haven't been opened yet have drawers all to themselves. I dedicated an entire bin to fruit. Placing healthy goodies on an eye-level shelf may entice you to choose them as a snack instead of junk food placed lower down in the fridge. By the way, the opaque egg bin came from the Dollar Tree. It only holds 2 fewer eggs than the $11 one from the Container Store. The Dollar Tree has amazing zero-calorie beverages like ice, Perrier, and La Croix. Perrier is sometimes sold for around $3 at stores like Whole Foods, so this is a great deal. In just 20 minutes, we were able to transform the fridge from this to this using cheap containers and products from the Dollar Tree and the Container Store. Remember, having a humble, happy home never has to be pricey.